Welcome to MLAP Online tutorial. Now let us look at this vector representation question, and it says if ABC is a triangle, what is the sum of the vectors represented by BC, CA and AB? First of all, let us draw the triangle. Now taking the direction of ABC, that is A, B and C, which means the direction will be from A to B, from B to C, then from A to C, because A is the starting point and C is the stopping point. Okay, and we're told that what will BC now plus CA plus AB. Okay, now BC plus AC. Now looking at this, here we have C and here we have C, which implies BC plus CA. Now we actually give you BA. Okay, now that is it, then plus AB. So the vector sum of BC plus AC will give you what? BA. In just simple logic. Now since C and C are just common, take the first, take the last, that's become the vector sum of both the two vectors. Okay, now if you look at this, now this is BA and AB. Now BA, which means it's acting opposite to AB, so the actual direction is meant to be AB, but here we're having what? BA, which is what? The opposite of what? AB. Since it's the opposite of AB, so we can say this is minus AB, then plus AB. So minus AB plus AB will then give us what? 0. So the vector representation of BC, AC and AB is 0. Thank you and God bless you.